राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतम्। Welcome to the third class of Lalita Sahasranama Stotram. We'll start with the Mangalam to our Jagat Gurus. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroh matirasti gurau mama pahi guru. So last class we had a recap of the class 1 pronunciation rules and also the Dhyana Shloka and the first 2 verses. So from today onwards, we will directly start with the chanting of the verses. And as the format of the class, similar to the last class, we will in the end of the class, that is the last 30 minutes, we will allocate for participants to volunteer for chanting and also for covering the questions. So we will chant the Dhyana Shloka. My request to all the participants is, though you are on mute, I request you to chant the shlokas after I do the Ucharanam, or you can chant along with me. You will be in mute, but still I request all of you to chant the shloka once I start. Let us all visualize the form of Sri Lalita Parameshwari before we start the Dhyana Shloka. Let us meditate upon her for few seconds. सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहां पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीम् सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरस्तचरणान् ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्. So we'll start with the first verse. Om Shrimata Shri Maharagni Shrimat Simhasaneshwari Chidagnikunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudyata Vudyadbhanu Sahasrabha Chaturbahu Samanvita Ragaswarupa Pashadhya क्रोधाकाराङ्कुशोज्ज्वला मनोरूपेक्षुकोदण्डा पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका निजारुणप्रभापूरमज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला. So we had stopped at this place in the last class. We will move to the fourth verse today. So at this point of time, I request the panelists to do the Anucharanam after I chant. I'll unmute the panelists. Aditi, I have unmuted you.
Yes, ma'am.
Champakashoka
Champakashoka Champakashoka
Punnaga
Punnaga Punnaga
Saugandhika
सौगन्धिक सौगन्धिक
लसत्कचा
लसत्कचा लसत्कचा
चम्पकाशोक
चम्पकाशोक चम्पकाशोक
पुन्नाग
पुन्नाग पुन्नाग
सौगन्धिक
सौगन्धिक सौगन्धिक
लसत्कचा
लसत्कचा लसत्कचा
चम्पकाशोक पुन्नाग
चम्पकाशोक पुन्नाग चम्पकाशोक पुन्नाग
सौगन्धिक लसत्कचा
सौगन्धिक लसत्कचा सौगन्धिक लसत्कचा
नेक्स्ट लाइन कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी
कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी
कनत्कोटीर
कनत्कोटीर कनत्कोटीर
मण्डिता
मण्डिता मण्डिता
कुरुविन्दमणि
कुरुविन्दमणि कुरुविन्दमणि
श्रेणी
श्रेणी श्रेणी
कनत्कोटीर
कनत्कोटीर कनत्कोटीर
मण्डिता
मण्डिता मण्डिता
कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी
कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी
कनत्कोटीरमण्डिता
कनत्कोटीरमण्डिता कनत्कोटीरमण्डिता
So we'll move to the next verse now. अष्टमी चंद्र
अष्टमी चंद्र अष्टमी चंद्र
विभ्राजदलिक
विभ्राजदलिक विभ्राजदलिक
स्थलशोभिता
स्थलशोभिता स्थलशोभिता
अष्टमी चंद्र
अष्टमी चंद्र अष्टमी चंद्र
विभ्राजदलिक
विभ्राजदलिक विभ्राजदलिक
स्थलशोभिता
स्थलशोभिता स्थलशोभिता
मुखचंद्र
मुखचंद्र मुखचंद्र
कलंकाभ
कलंकाभ कलंकाभ
मृगनाभि
मृगनाभि मृगनाभि
विशेषका
विशेषक विशेषक
मुखचंद्र
मुखचंद्र मुखचंद्र
कलंकाभ
कलंकाभ कलंकाभ
मृगनाभिविशेषका
मृगनाभिविशेषका मृगनाभिविशेषका
if you notice this, the verses, the letters which are in dark red color or the Mahaprana letters, where you have to put more stress. If you also can see, there is a green, the letter highlighted in green color, which is the Murdhanya Sha, which we had discussed in the initial class where we spoke about pronunciation tips. So this Sha is different from Sha, Shiva Sha. So this is a Murdhanya Sha. I'll teach this verse again. Ashtami Chandra.
अष्टमी चंद्र अष्टमी चंद्र
Vibhrajadalika.
बिभ्राजदलिक बिभ्राजदलिक
Thalashobhita.
स्थलशोभिता स्थलशोभिता
Mukhachandra.
मुखचंद्र मुखचंद्र
Kalankabha.
कलंकाभ कलंकाभ
Mruganabhi.
मृगनाभि मृगनाभि
Visheshaka.
विशेषका विशेषका
These two are actually two different names. The first line, the whole line is one Namavali, one name of Lalita Parameshwari. Second line, what you see here is another one name. It is two names in this verse. One complete name, and this is another. Second line is another complete name. So for the sake of the easing in pronunciation, I'm splitting the words and chanting, but this is two names basically. The first line is one name and the second line is another name. So when we actually do the Parayana, we chant this as one whole line. For example, Ashtami Chandra Vibhrajadalika Sthala Shobhita Mukha Chandra Kalankabha Mruganabhi Visheshaka. So it is chanted together. The words are not split when we are doing the actual Lalita Sahasranama Parayanam. Because we are learning, so I'm splitting the words in between so that it is easy for the learners. So let us move to the next verse. I will request our other panelist for today. Usha Rani, to please unmute yourself. The sixth verse. Vadanasmara.
Vadanasmara. Vadanasmara.
Mangalya.
Mangalya. Mangalya.
Gruhatorana.
Gruhatorana. Gruhatorana.
Chillika.
Chillika. Chillika.
Vadanasmara.
Vadanasmara. Vadanasmara.
Mangalya.
Mangalya. Mangalya.
Gruhatorana.
Gruhatorana. Gruhatorana.
Chillika.
Chillika. Chillika.
वक्त्रलक्ष्मी
वक्त्रलक्ष्मी वक्त्रलक्ष्मी
परिवाह
परिवाह परिवाह
चलन्मीनाभ
चलन्मीनाभ चलन्मीनाभ
लोचना
लोचना लोचना
वदनस्मरमाङ्गल्य
वदनस्मरमाङ्गल्य वदनस्मरमाङ्गल्य
गृहतोरणचिल्लिका
गृहतोरणचिल्लिका गृहतोरणचिल्लिका
वक्त्रलक्ष्मी परिवाह
वक्त्रलक्ष्मी परिवाह वक्त्रलक्ष्मी परिवाह
चलन्मीनाभलोचना
चलन्मीनाभलोचना चलन्मीनाभलोचना
So let us move to the next one. I will request issue. धन्यवादाः उषाराणि भगिनी. I will request issue to chant after me. नवचम्पक
नवचम्पक नवचम्पक
पुष्पाभ
पुष्पाभ पुष्पाभ
नवचम्पक
नवचम्पक नवचम्पक
पुष्पाभ
पुष्पाभ पुष्पाभ
नासादण्ड
नासादण्ड नासादण्ड
विराजिता
विराजिता विराजिता
ताराकान्ति
ताराकान्ति ताराकान्ति
तिरस्कारी
तिरस्कारी तिरस्कारी
नासाभरण
नासाभरण नासाभरण
भासुरा
भासुरा भासुरा
नवचम्पक पुष्पाभ
नवचम्पक पुष्पाभ नवचम्पक पुष्पाभ
नासादण्ड विराजिता
नासादण्ड विराजिता नासादण्ड विराजिता
ताराकान्ति तिरस्कारी
ताराकान्ति तिरस्कारी ताराकान्ति तिरस्कारी
नासाभरण भासुरा
नासाभरण भासुरा नासाभरण भासुरा
Once again I will teach. नवचम्पकपुष्पाभ
नवचम्पकपुष्पाभ नवचम्पकपुष्पाभ
I'm not able to hear you.
नवचम्पकपुष्पाभ नवचम्पकपुष्पाभ
नासादण्डविराजिता
नासादण्डविराजिता नासादण्डविराजिता
ताराकान्तितिरस्कारी
ताराकान्तितिरस्कारी ताराकान्तितिरस्कारी
नासाभरणभासुरा
नासाभरणभासुरा नासाभरणभासुरा
Okay. धन्यवादाः ईशु.
धन्यवादाः.
Aditi, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Kadambamanjari.
Kadambamanjari. Kadambamanjari.
Klupta.
Klipta. Klipta.
Karnapura-manohara.
Karnapura-manohara. Karnapura-manohara.
I'll split further and teach. Kadamba.
Kadamba. Kadamba.
Manjari.
Manjari. Manjari.
Klupta.
Klipta. Klipta.
Karnapura.
Karnapura. Karnapura.
Manohara.
Manohara. Manohara.
Tatanka.
Tatanka. Tatanka.
Yugalibhuta.
Yugalibhuta. Yugalibhuta.
Tapanodupa.
Tapanodupa. Tapanodupa.
Mandala.
Mandala. Mandala.
Tatanka yugalibhuta.
Tatanka yugalibhuta. Tatanka yugalibhuta.
Tapanodupa mandala.
Tapanodupa mandala. Tapanodupa mandala.
Kadamba manjari klupta.
Kadamba manjari klipta. Kadamba manjari klipta.
Karnapura manohara.
Karnapura manohara. Karnapura manohara.
Tatanka yugalibhuta.
Tatanka yugalibhuta. Tatanka yugalibhuta.
Tapanodupa mandala.
Tapanodupa mandala. Tapanodupa mandala.
Come on, let us go to the next verse. So if you notice, we are actually splitting the words, like as I said before, the earlier verses also. It is all only two names actually. Each line is one verse, but we are splitting the words for the ease of pronunciation only. But when we are doing the entire Parayanam, the entire line has to be chanted together. Aditi, you can continue. Padmaraga,
Padmaraga, Padmaraga,
Shiladarsha,
Shiladarsha, Shiladarsha,
Paribhavi,
Paribhavi, Paribhavi,
Kapolabhuhu,
Kapolabhuhu, Kapolabhuhu,
Padmaraga, Shiladarsha,
Padmaraga, Shiladarsha, Padmaraga, Shiladarsha,
Paribhavi, Kapolabhuhu,
Paribhavikapolabhuः, Paribhavikapolabhuः,
Navavidruma,
Navavidruma, Navavidruma,
Navavidruma, Bimbashri,
Navavidruma Bimbashri, Navavidruma Bimbashri,
Navavidruma, Bimbashri, Nyakari,
Navavidruma Bimbashri Nyakari, Navavidruma Bimbashri Nyakari,
Radanachada,
Radanachada, Radanachada.
I see somebody mentioning that not able to hear and unable to see the slides. Are the panelists are able to see the slides? Aditi, you are able to see, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I see some of them saying that we are able to hear and some of them saying that we are not able to hear. It could be because of the internet issues, I guess. What you can do is you can log out and log in again and try. For those who have not been able to see the screens, maybe you have navigated to the other window. Please try to come back to the the window, because most of them are saying that they are able to see and they are able to hear clearly. Dhanyavadaha. So I'll get back to the chanting. Padmaraga.
Padmaraga,
Aditi.
Padmaraga. Can you hear me? Padmaraga,
Shiladarsha.
Shiladarsha, Shiladarsha,
Paribhavi.
Paribhavi, Paribhavi,
Kapolabhuhu.
Kapolabhuः, Kapolabhuः.
What I did in this case is I split the entire line into four different, like Padmaraga, Shiladarsha, Paribhavi, Kapolabhuhu, for ease of chanting. Now I will combine two words and teach. Padmaraga, Shiladarsha,
Padmaraga, Shiladarsha, Padmaraga, Shiladarsha,
Paribhavi, Kapolabhuhu,
Paribhavikapolabhuः, Paribhavikapolabhuः,
Navavidruma,
नवविद्रुम नवविद्रुम
बिम्बश्रीन्यक्कारि
बिम्बश्रीन्यक्कारि बिम्बश्रीन्यक्कारि
रदनच्छदा
रदनच्छदा रदनच्छदा
नवविद्रुमबिम्बश्रीन्यक्कारि
नवविद्रुमबिम्बश्रीन्यक्कारि नवविद्रुमबिम्बश्रीन्यक्कारि
रदनच्छदा
रदनच्छदा रदनच्छदा.
So we'll move to the next verse, the 10th one. शुद्धविद्याङ्कुराकार
शुद्धविद्याङ्कुराकार शुद्धविद्याङ्कुराकार
द्विजपङ्क्तिद्वयोज्ज्वला
द्विजपङ्क्तिद्वयोज्ज्वला द्विजपङ्क्तिद्वयोज्ज्वला.
Now I will further split it and teach. Shuddha
शुद्ध शुद्ध
विद्याङ्कुराकार
विद्याङ्कुराकार विद्याङ्कुराकार
द्विजपङ्क्ति
द्विजपङ्क्ति द्विजपङ्क्ति
द्वयोज्ज्वला
द्वयोज्ज्वला द्वयोज्ज्वला
शुद्धविद्याङ्कुराकार
शुद्धविद्याङ्कुराकार शुद्धविद्याङ्कुराकार
द्विजपङ्क्तिद्वयोज्ज्वला
द्विजपङ्क्तिद्वयोज्ज्वला द्विजपङ्क्तिद्वयोज्ज्वला
कर्पूर
कर्पूर कर्पूर
वीटिकामोद
वीटिकामोद वीटिकामोद
समाकर्षि
समाकर्षि समाकर्षि
दिगन्तरा
दिगन्तरा दिगन्तरा
कर्पूरवीटिका
कर्पूरवीटिका कर्पूरवीटिका
कर्पूरवीटिकामोद
कर्पूरवीटिकामोद कर्पूरवीटिकामोद
समाकर्षिद्दिगन्तरा
समाकर्षिद्दिगन्तरा समाकर्षिद्दिगन्तरा.
उत्तमं. धन्यवादाः अदिति भगिनी. धन्यवादाः ईशु and Usharani bhagini. So what we will do now is I will request the participants to raise their hands. I mean, if you're interested to volunteer for chanting. So we can start with the last class verses. If anybody, okay. This is for chanting. Panchanathan Swaminathan Mahodaya, I will unmute you. Would you like to try the Dhyana Shloka?
Yes. Sindhuraruna vigraham trinayanam malikya maulispurat taranayaka shekaram smitamukhim vapina vakshoruham swanibhyam malipurna ratna chashakam raktotphalam bibrati saumyam ratna ghatastha ratna charanam jayet paramambika.
Okay. Good try, Uttama Prayatnam. Couple of things to place importance on. First one, if you see like Sindhuraruna Vigraham, I have underlined it, right? So Vigraham Trinayanam. So since there is a Anuswara which is succeeded by a Takara, so you know when you are chanting together that line, it should sound as Sindhuraruna Vigrahan Trinayanam. Yes, Nakara. So if you are giving a pause, then Vigraham Trinayanam, it is fine. And in the same line in the last part, that is, there is a pa, Mahaprana pa, the one which is red in color. That is, yeah, Purat, pa. It should sound with little bit stress. It's a Mahaprana letter. Same applies to the second line, Shekharam. That ka you have to place little more. It's not ka, it is ka. Shekharam. That is how it should come. So that you have to keep in mind. Can you please chant the last line again, Saumyam?
Okay. Saumyam ratna ghatastha rakta charanam jayet paramambika.
Okay, Uttamam, same thing, just give little importance to the Mahaprana Aksharas. It will come over a period of time after you attend some 5-6 classes, you will start identifying the Mahaprana, how to pronounce it. So just have to give a little bit of observation there. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. So Devaradha Bhagini. Devaradha, once again, I'll make you unmute.
Close.
Would you like to try the first shloka, that is Shri Mata? Devaradha Bhagini. I cannot hear you. Cannot hear you. Okay. We can try again. Chitra Bhagini. Chitra Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste, Chitra Bhagini.
Before I start chanting, I have one question. See,
Right.
in the Dhyana Sloka, people usually chant Arunam Karuna Tarangi and starting with three slokas, isn't it? That we are not doing here.
Right. Yes. See, as per the Parampara, the Gurus, what they have taught us, we are following this. Originally, as per the Lalita Sahasranama text also, the Sindhuraruna Vigraham is the original Dhyana Shloka. The other two later got added on by Dattatreya and Shankaracharya. So if there is no harm, we can always chant the other two Dhyana Shlokas also. For the syllabus of this class, we have kept one Dhyana Shloka. So, you know, if time permits in the later stage, we can cover those shlokas also.
Okay. And one more question. Shall we all ladies can chant Om Pranava? Or
Yes,
we need to leave that? There is no restriction, right?
Yeah, so as per the Guru's teaching, that what we have learned, yes, we can chant
Okay.
Because in the beginning of this the first verse itself, we will start with a Om Shri Mata itself. So
Okay.
yes,
Okay. I'll start chanting.
yeah, we can start now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Om Shri Mata Shri Maharajni Srimat Simhasaneshwari Chitagnikunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudhyata. I'll go
Can
on.
you chant once again? Same verse, Shri Mata.
Om
Little
Shri
slower, please.
Mata. Yeah.
Can
Shri
you be little
Mata Shri Maharajni Srimat Simhasaneshwari Chitagnikunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudhyata.
Okay, Uttamam, just that there was a bit of a lag audio issue from on. I mean, I was not able to hear you clearly. Hence, I asked you again. Dhanyavadaha, Chitra Bhagini.
Thank you.
You can go on mute. Rohan Mahodaya. Rohan Mahodaya, would you like to try?
Hello. Hello.
Ram Rohan Mahodaya.
Yes.
Would you
Namaste,
like
Bhagini.
to chant the Namaste? Would you like to chant the next one?
Yes, Shri Mata
Bhanu?
Shri Maharaj.
You want to chant the first one? Okay.
Yeah, actually, I was more interested in Dhyanam.
Yeah, you can chant that. You can start with that if that is what
Okay.
you like
Yes.
to. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Sindhurarunavigrahan trinayanam manikya-maulisfurat taranayakashekharam स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहाम् पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीम् सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणान् ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्.
Okay. The fourth line, the last line, can you chant again? Saumyam. That line.
सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणान् ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्.
Yeah. Second time it was more clear. First time there was a pause when you actually stopped that, the Ratna Ghatastha Ratta Charana. There was a pause, but you took a Nakara. So just emphasizing again, if you are giving a pause, it is Charana. If you are chanting continuously, Charana Dhyayet Nakara Ritham.
Okay, ma'am.
And because Anuswara is succeeded by a Vargiya Vyanjana. So otherwise it is good. Uttama Prayatnam. Uttamam.
Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You want it? Yeah. Dushyant Gautam. Dushyant Gautam, can you unmute yourself? Dushyant Gautam Mahodaya.
Yes, ma'am.
So, can you try the second verse, Udyad Bhanu?
Madam, this is my first class. I can chant the Dhyana Strota and the first one because I have read it first time. The second sloka I have not read it.
Okay, so you can chant the first one, Shri Mata.
Om Shri Mata Shri Maharajni Srimat Simhasaneshwari Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudhyata.
Uttamam. The second line, first word, Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudhyata. So the Chidagni is Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta. Can you try again?
Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudhyata.
So after that Chidagni, don't prolong it or don't give a pause there. Chidagni
Okay.
Kunda Sambhuta. So it is not Chidagni, it is Chidagni.
Yeah, it's
Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta.
okay. चिदग्निकुण्ड सम्भूता देवकार्य समुद्यता.
Okay. So, Dhanyavada. Do you want to try the second one? Udyadhanu.
I have never read it. First I will read
You
it
have not
today.
attended that.
This is my first class
Okay,
today.
you can look at the recording and okay, fine. Next class you can try that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavad.
Sudha Bhagini. Sudha Bhagini. I think so. Can you hear me, Sudha Bhagini?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Am I audible?
Yes. Can you chant this verse, Udyadhanu?
उद्यद्भानु सहस्राभा चतुर्बाहु समन्विता रागस्वरूप पाषाढ्या क्रोधाकारांकुशोज्ज्वला.
Once again, slowly.
उद्यद्भानु सहस्राभा चतुर्बाहु समन्विता रागस्वरूप पाषाढ्या क्रोधाकारांकुशोज्ज्वला.
Uttama. Would you like to try the next one?
मनोरूपेक्षु कोदंडा पंचतन्मात्रसायका निजारूण प्रभापूर मज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला.
The second line. Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjad Brahmanda Mandala. Can you repeat?
निजारूण प्रभापूर मज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला.
So that Nijaruna, it is not Nijaruna. Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjad Brahmanda Mandala.
निजारुण प्रभापूर मज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी.
धन्यवादः.
Ramesh Ramachandran. Ramesh Ramachandran Mahodaya, you have self-muted yourself, I guess.
Yes, madam.
Can you try Manorupekshu Kodanda?
Yes, madam. Manorupekshu kodanda panchatanmatra निजारुण प्रभापूरा मज्जद ब्रह्मांड मंडला.
First line once again, Manorupekshu.
मनोरूपेषु कोदंडा पंचतन्मात्रसायक.
Okay, so here Manorupekshu. Manorupekshu.
मनोरूपेक्षु कोदंडा पंचतन्मात्रसायक निजारुण प्रभापूरा मज्जद ब्रह्मांड मंडला.
Uttamam, just that in the second line, after Nijaruna, you are giving a break. So try telling it without a break there. Nijaruna Prabhapura. That's it. Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjad Brahmanda Mandala. Can you try?
निजारुण प्रभापूरा मज्जद ब्रह्मांड मंडला.
उत्तमं धन्यवादाः
धन्यवादः
रामेश्वरी काले भगिनी, do you want to try? I'll unmute you. I think you have yes. Let me go to the next verse which we taught today. You can try that. Can you try Champaka Shoka?
Yes, madam. चम्पकाशोक पुन्नाग सौगन्धिकलसत्कचा कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी कनत्कोटीरमण्डिता.
Once again from Champaka Shoka.
चम्पकाशोक पुन्नाग सौगन्धिकलसत्कचा कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी कनत्कोटीरमण्डिता.
Okay, Uttamam. In today's class, I actually did not teach the entire line as a whole. So what I did was I split the words and then combined the words and then taught. I didn't chanted. So that is why the break as of now is acceptable. What we will do is after few classes, we will try to chant the entire line together. Uttama Prayatnam Bhagini. You can mute yourself now. Ramya Bhagini, would you like to chant? Dhanyavadaha. Ramya Bhagini. Yes. Yeah. Can you try Champaka?
Champaka, okay. चम्पकाशोक पुन्नाग सौगन्धिकलसत्कचा कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी कनत्कोटीरमण्डिता.
That Mahaprana in the first line has to be heard more clearly. Saugandhikalasatkacha.
Saugandhikalatkacha.
Okay, I will chant once. You can do the Anucharanam. Okay. Champaka shoka punnaga.
Champaka shoka punnaga.
Saugandhikalasatkacha.
Saugandhikalasatkacha.
Yeah, can you chant the second line on your own now? Kuruvinda.
Kuruvindamani kanatkotiramandita.
Uttamam. Here, Kuruvinda Manishreni. So it is Kuruvinda Manishreni Kanatkotiramandita. So if you are splitting and telling also, Kuruvinda Manishreni Kanatkotiramandita.
Kuruvindamani Shreni Kanatkotiramandita.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Ramya Bhagini. Savita Bhagini, would you like to try?
Yeah, namaskaram.
Namaste.
Can you hear me?
Namaste.
Can you hear me? This is Savita.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, Savita Bhagini. Can you try? Savita Bhagini, can you try Manorupekshukodanda?
Yes. Manorupekshukodanda Panjatanmatra Sayaka Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjat Brahmanda Mandala.
Okay. Once again, only the first line. Manorupekshu.
Okay. Manorupekshukodanda Panjatanmatra Sayaka Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjat Brahmanda Mandala.
Uttama Prayatna. Only thing is, sometimes, in Sanskritam, there is a clear distinction of letters. Like, pa is pa, ba is ba. So, when we pronounce these letters, we have to be clear that we are pronouncing the same letter. For example, Manorupekshu, it is a pa there. Manorupekshu kodanda panchatanmatra. Can you try?
मनोरूपेक्षु गोदण्डा पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका
Uttamam. Next slide.
मनोरूपेक्षु गोदण्डा पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका.
In the next slide, Nijaruna Prabha Pura. There is no dirgha after Pura. It's not Pura.
Okay.
It is just Pura. Nijaruna Prabha Pura Majjad Brahmanda Mandala. Can you try?
निजारुण प्रभापुर मज्जत् ब्रह्मांड मंडला.
Nijaruna Prabha Pura.
निजारुण प्रभापुर
Majjad Brahmanda.
मज्जत् ब्रह्मांड मंडला.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. You can mute yourself now. What is the time? We were already at. Okay, let us look at the questions clearly. Last time there were few questions which was asked. One was there was a doubt on the pronunciation of Brahmanda. Somebody wanted to know whether it is it's Brahmanda. It is pronounced as Brahmanda. Also, there was a question on whether Lalita Sahasranamam can be chanted after Gayatri Japa. Yes, it can be chanted at any time. Let us look at today's questions quickly. Okay. We don't have many questions today. So what we will do is, if you have any queries or doubts on any specific pronunciation, please feel free to email me, sandhya.vyoma@gmail.com, so we can address those specifically in the coming class. From now on, we'll be covering more verses, more shlokas. So if you have any doubts in pronunciation, please feel free to write a mail so that we can cover it again in the next class as part of the revision. Dhanyavadaha. We will chant the Mangala Shloka and close. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Tyambake Devi Narayani Namostute. Dhanyavadaha. Ram Ram Ram. Punar Milamaha. Look forward to see you in the next class.